Guys, Kane here about the video, and today we're playing Just a 2018 Baby I'm a Sheep. We're gonna dance to it. I'm not gonna show you guys dance, okay? I'm not sure about dancing, just feel awkward, but not really. But I'm just gonna dance to this whatever video. Make sure you subscribe and like if you're new. I mean, I'm good at, I used to be a dancer, well not kind of, I danced when I was in 4th grade. Just so you guys know. Okay, let's just get into this. Also, Jazzy, don't worry about that, okay? Don't worry about the Jazzy, okay? I'm Caden, okay? The player one. Easy guys, a mega star, and that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, and I want to guess 13,000. Okay, kind of close. Alright, essentially dance, because if it is, I'm going to close it out. Please don't tell me. Okay, we're good. 30 coins. I play this game a lot. Well, not a lot sometimes. I am now ranked 101. See, I'm a master at this game. Amazing. Alright, don't tell me. Alright, if it shows me dance, we're gonna skip that part. Skip that part. Yeah, I'm still gonna skip that part. Thanks so much for watching. Like the video, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys. Peace out. Have an awesome day.